The Galaxy S26 Ultra is generating quite a bit of buzz, especially when it comes to its rumored camera upgrades. These potential specs could bring the excitement back to Samsung fans who have been underwhelmed by recent, more incremental camera improvements. The upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra might offer one of the most significant camera upgrades we've seen in a flagship device in a while, and that's something to get excited about. There's a lot of talk about the return of the variable aperture feature, which Samsung first introduced on the Galaxy S9, but later removed. One of the most exciting leaks claims the 200-megapixel primary sensor will feature a variable aperture range between f1.4 and f4.0. For context, the Galaxy S9 had an aperture range of f1.5 to f2.4. If this new version of variable aperture is true, it would give users more flexibility in different lighting conditions, which would be a huge boost. While the rumored 50-megapixel camera doesn't seem too groundbreaking, the news about the zoom cameras is much more exciting. It's said that both zoom sensors will be upgraded. The current 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom sensor is reportedly being replaced with a 50-megapixel sensor offering 3.5x optical zoom. Additionally, the second 50-megapixel sensor is rumored to have 8x zoom and a 184mm focal length, which would be a big upgrade over the existing 50-megapixel 5x zoom sensor found on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If these leaks prove accurate, it could definitely thrill Samsung fans, but there's still room for doubt. Samsung has played it safe with upgrades in recent years, so it's hard to know for sure if this level of change is actually coming. There's also some speculation that one of the zoom sensors might even be removed. With the phone still a year away from release, these rumors are far from final, and it would be premature to assume anything just yet.